Might be something on there. It feels heavier.
Yeah, it might be a rock cod or something just sitting on it.
It's like it was a flathead. Look, shake, 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 and then just sit. Oh, you're wrong. Could be right. No, no.
Oh, Jesus. Did you get him?
I think so.
Oh, got him.
That fucking Captain Nibbles, he's fucking been at it for ages.
This fish feels better.
Does?
Probably another one of those rats.
Ooh, we got a snapper.
Snapper.
Bloody snapper on one line, the fucking snapper on the other. Yeah, I got an undersized flatty.
Two undersized fish.
What do you think? Are you on a reef or?
Yeah, there must be some sandy holes in it.
Yeah. They're all just under, aren't they?
It's a real
The snappers.
What did he take? He took the squid.
Yeah?
Yep. I'll put that head on. Someone will have to devour that. There we go. How's that for a nibble? Ooh, got him then. That looks snappery.
Yeah. Oh, a little bit of curry too.
Yeah, snapper.
Ah,
Newborn.
and the bonito.
Yeah. Oh, I think I just lost him.
I think it's still on there. It's still on there, whatever I got.
Yeah, I don't know. Oh yeah, what I've got still on there.
Maybe not.
Tiny snapper.
Not whatever's on mine.
It's weird, you drop squid down there and they don't touch it. As soon as I put two bonitos on, he got smacked straight away.
Huh? The baby ones.
Small shit. That's exactly what it is.
Yeah, Sergeant Baker.
Baby Sergeant Baker.
Got him.
Don't even think that's worth cutting him up that size.
Just drop him down.
I was going to say leave it on.
Oh, well, just try and drop him down, see what happens.
Nah.
Back on Reef then.
How's that for a catch?
It was cheating, wasn't it? Oh.
It'd still be fun to catch.
Like little fellas. Only had one on there. If you're interested in what you got going on.
Yeah, there he is. They're looking at yours. Oh, I thought you had one.
So close.
Look at him, just
So
two of them
close.
circling it.
So close. So close. Come on. Jump on. Jump on, boys.
Well, they're circling yours.
Yeah, they're grabbing
Oh,
it.
yeah, just have a go at mine too.
They're grabbing it, but they're not holding it.
Yeah, look, they're just here.
They're tiny.
Yeah, they're only little.
I've got an idea.
Yeah, look. Come on.
I'm putting a plain hook on with a bit of
Oh,
Squid.
far out, that was close. I got something that might work right here.
What do you got? Oh yeah.
I've also got some other jigs and stuff in the tackle box.
Yeah.
I'm putting. Keep your bait in the water. Keep them just.
I was thinking, fucking the other fucking rod had gone.
Get him. Come on, go. Oh.
Where are they at?
Just over here. I reckon I'll go up that.
I just got an unweighted bit of bait just floating around. Yeah, they're looking at it. Oh, I think I've got one. Yep.
You got him. Ah!
Only little.
How's that?
It's a fucking baby. Never seen one that little before.
Yeah, unweighted's the way to go.
Straight away he took it.
Yeah. It's cool, hey?
The smallest I've ever seen.
Yeah, he's gone. He's gonna be mate's gone.
How cool's that? Alright, get a release on him.
Huh?
So I get an underwater release on him.
And drop your GoPro.
Oh wait. How cool is that, butt?
Where did they just come from?
Bring it back up to the surface.
Got him.
Got him?
Yep.
Get a
I can't
photo.
believe how little they are.
Get a photo of it. I've never caught one before.
What are you calling?
Probably a throwback.
Just the usual.
An undersized snapper, possibly. Hoping for a nice flathead. It's not fighting like the flathead's fighting too much.
You got it. Oh, yeah, snap. Oh, cod.
Lady.
I don't know why. I swear I saw a yellow tail on its way up.
Come up with their mouth open.
Yeah, they.
Yeah, scare you.